isn't working.
You don't know who I am. You don't know.
Be quiet, Richard. God, Richard.
You don't know who I am.
Richard, disguise the voice. You just pulled your head out of the book. Good job, Richard. Well, we're just here to say that.
Ready, set, go. It's time to Puka.
Inside joke.
Inside joke. Oh, the book smells bad.
Mine does too. It's from Westtown.
Ew.
Oh, crap.
Oh, you don't know where. Oh, our cover is exposed. Our cover is exposed. I'm Richard.
I don't think we're going to be able to post this one.
What's it supposed to on this?
Okay.
Bye.